Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will explain how to stop receiving useless emails. Also I will show you how to organize your emails in different folders in Outlook. So let's get started. As you can see here, this is my Outlook and all the unnecessary emails sent directly to the deleted items. So now as you can see here, everything is sent to the deleted items except some emails here. Okay, so you can see this email is not sent automatically to deleted items. I left it here to give you an example how to make those emails sent automatically to the deleted items.
I will go to rules and then create rule, and then I'll click this two option, from this person and send to this person, and then you will move the item to the deleted items, or you need to select the item or the folder that you want. For me, I wanted to go to the deleted item, and then I will click OK, and then OK. Then run this rule and then click on OK. Then everything from this person to this person will be deleted. So this is how you can clean up your Microsoft team. This is another example, for example. So you need to do a couple of these rules, and then you will no longer receive any email. So for example here, from Mayada, send to Mayada, no need to receive it, so delete it to the items. Then click on OK, and then run this rule from now, and then OK. See everything deleted. So I'll do another rule, create rule, from this person to this person, send to the deleted item, and then click on OK. Notice here, multiple emails will be sent to the trash. Then click on OK. So see, any email with the same rule will be automatically sent to the deleted item, and also any new email will be sent as well. That's all.
So you can see how many rules I created here. So everything here, I'm not receiving it. It's automatically sent to the deleted items. Why? Because I created this rule. So now if you want to have different folders with the emails, this is what you need to do. You can create many rules. If you want, for example, any emails from the IT to be sent to a folder, you just go to rules, create rule. Any email from IT, you move it to a specific folder. In my case, I create a new folder. You just create a new folder, give it a name, and send it to there. And that's it. Good luck.